good, I think it's afternoon now from EPCOT. We are here for the very first day of non-cast member Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind previews. So, oh, there's a ladybug on me. So I'm so excited to finally see this ride. Amanda's been on it a few times.
Yes.
Here's my new friend. So I have not been on it yet. I don't know anything. I've tried to avoid as many spoilers as possible, so I'm so excited to finally see this. I know you are not allowed to film the pre-show, and from what I've heard, the ride is extremely dark, so I don't think we'll film actual on-ride footage, just because I don't think you'll see anything. But I think I'll be able to show some of the queue, and we'll just, you know, finally be able to experience what the new ride is like. I'm sure we'll talk about it. If you don't want to see anything like I've been avoiding, this is not the video to watch. I would probably tune out right now. But we won't be showing any like pre-show spoilers or anything. It'll really just be the queue for the most part. I know the store is not open for previews or anything, so it's really just going to be the queue that we're able to show today. But I'm just excited to finally see what the ride's about. There she is. I like the music playing. It's so cool to see this after years of being closed. Welcome, Terrans. We're going in.
Citizens of Xandar settled on this planet.
Our city features a wide array of architectural styles, inspired by the many cultures and species who have traveled across the galaxy to call Xandar home.
Guardians embrace the design principles that promote
People of Xandar.
After Nova Prime, our highest rank is that of Centurion. Her ultimate goal is to help the
It was Quills. We had this half-baked plan, and we saved his butt. End of story. Okay, here's 3/4 baked. But we were all yours that day.
I'll be back with more of the Guardians in a moment.
What did I just say? You need to tell me what I want. Are you Terrans still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon. We do.
This plane is never gonna work. Rocket! Well? Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck! stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
All the way.
Oh, crud. That's the kingdom? The Big Bang!
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
There it is! We got the generator! We're rich! Oh yeah? We'll see about that. Let me try this. Milky Way just formed.
I hate milk. Well, we're here.
It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Velveteen, link your star blasters. We have them contained, but not for long. Our world would have been perfect.
Yeah, well, nobody's perfect. Will, hey!
We're back. Locking coordinates for EPCOT.
It's EPCOT.
That is not a word.
Sure is. Stands for every person comes out tired.
I don't get it.
That is going to be it for today. We just came over to ride Guardians, but it was so worth it. That was amazing.
I was waiting to see Zach's reaction. I mean, I hadn't seen the pre-show. Every preview I went to, it wasn't working or ready. So I hadn't seen it. Today was my first time seeing it. Today was his first time for everything. But
Yeah, the pre-show you're not allowed to film, so you won't see any videos of that. If you do, they're not supposed to be recorded. So did not be able to film that at all, but it is very cool. So very excited for everyone to see it. The ride's amazing. I did film it the second time we rode because it was allowed, but it's a very dark ride, so I don't know what clips will be worth including in the video. So hopefully there's a little bit in there. But yeah, it's probably it's brighter than Space Mountain, but it's still a dark ride.
yeah, because they have,
There's actually stuff going on, but right. Well, yeah, I mean, if you've made it this far, you've seen spoilers.
Oh, well, yeah, the screens.
So yeah, there's actually like a story, which is really cool.
It's just been me trying to not say anything for the past month because
I didn't know what was going on, but now I do. And it was worth the wait. I've been waiting years for this. Guardians is one of my favorite Marvel movies.
It's amazing. It's very EPCOT, like it's perfect.
It definitely fits in the park really well, and it is by far better than any other Marvel ride I've been on. Avengers Campus, Island of Adventure included, this is number one. It was so much fun. I cannot wait to do it again. We do have some other previews before the grand opening. We'll be at the D23 event, so I'm excited for that. We were able to get tickets, so that'll be a cool one. So that'll be after hours. And yeah, I'm just excited to come back and then hopefully eventually be able to get some merchandise because they revealed the merchandise for media, but the stores are not open for previews, so no merchandise yet, but one of these days. But that is it for today. So definitely subscribe if you want to see us come during future previews. There really won't be anything new to share, but you know, we'll be back at EPCOT in the upcoming future. And give this video a like if you enjoyed our first look at the Guardians preview. Cosmic Rewind, such a good ride. But thanks for watching, and we will see you guys the next time we go to Disney and beyond.